Hey everyone, this is Savada from Advance Auto. I got a quick and simple video for you guys today demonstrating the difference between an old and a new strut. Our recommendation on struts is every 8 years or 90,000 miles, whichever comes first. In this particular one, it comes off a 2011 Hyundai Genesis with 97,000 miles on it. So you can clearly see how much better the new strut is functioning and how weak the old one is. So again, quick and simple. This should answer questions you may have if you should change your struts, why you should, and when you should. And if you have any other questions, feel free to comment below, contact us, ask us, and we'll do our best to answer it for you. Don't forget to share the video for someone that may want to know this information, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.